Okay, welcome once again to my channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that how we can download applications from our mobile play store or any other app store in our mobile phone. But before going to start our video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon in order to receive the new contents, new videos and new uploads from our side. So let's begin. Now if you have any problem, any confusion, any question, any doubt or any issue related to any topic, don't worry, just ask in comment. We will try to make a video about that in order to solve the issue for you. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open mobile app store or play store in your mobile phone. As you can see that this is the play store in my mobile phone. I just opened it. Now let's say for example I want to download a game that is Subway Surfer for my mobile phone. So what I have to do, I have to search for the game here. But remember that before searching the game here, what you have to do, you have to select the account on which account you want to download the application. Now on the upper right corner of your mobile screen, you can see a Gmail logo here. What you have to do, you just have to click on that. Once you click on that, a new page will appear here, as you can see. Now here you can see in the front of your Gmail account, your Gmail name. What you have to do, you just have to click on that. Once you click on that, so that will show you all of your Gmail's account here. Now here you can see you have to select that Gmail in which you want to download the application or game. Let's say for example I want to download the game by using my account having name is zbb80314@gmail.com. So I will click on that. Once you click on that, so the main home page of your Play Store or any other app store will open. Now here you have to search for the application that you want to download in your mobile phone. Let's say for example I want to download Subway Surfer game in my mobile phone. So click on the search bar. Once you click on the search bar, you have to search the name of your game here, Subway Surfers. So click on the game, click on the name of your game. Once you click on that, so they will search the game for you that you have searched. Now as you can see that this is the game Subway Surfers. I want to download this game in my mobile phone. So what I have to do now, nothing, just click on the install option. As you can see here, install option. Once you click on install option, so they will start the installation or the downloading of your game first. Once the download is completed, they will install the game in your mobile phone. But remember that always check the MBs or the space required for installing the game. As you can see on the right side of reviews, 135 MB means this game requires 135 MB space in your mobile phone. So what you have to do, you just have to click on the install option in front of the game name. Once you click on install option, so the download for this game will start in just a while. As you can see, the download has been started successfully. Now you can see that the download has been started successfully. Now it depends on your mobile internet connection data. So wait for a while, they will download the application for you. Let me cancel this and show you another game downloading. Let's say for example I want to download another game that is Temple Run. Which one? That is Temple Run 2. So I will search for Temple Run 2. Now click on Temple Run 2. Once you click on Temple Run 2, so they will search the game for you. Now as you can see here that there are many games here. The first one is Garena Free Fire. The second one is Carom Pool. The third one is Temple Run 2. And the fourth one is Endless Final O's Jungle Run. As we are going to download the game that is Temple Run 2, so without wasting the time, just click on Temple Run 2. Once you click on that, a new menu or a new page will appear, as you can see here. Now you can check the reviews for this game and also the space required for downloading or installing this game. The space that is required for installing this game is 140 MB. Right? So means that if you want to install this application, this game in your mobile phone, you must have at least 140 MB of space or GB data, MB data in your mobile phone. Now, if you click on install button, they will start downloading this game in your mobile phone. Remember that downloading depends on your mobile internet speed. If your mobile internet speed is okay, fast, then don't worry, they will if your mobile speed is okay and fast, so they will download the game in just a minute or two in a very fast way. And if your internet connection is not fast, if your internet connection is slow, then it will require a time for installing this application. You will wait for that until the installation has been completed successfully. So this was the second game that we downloaded, that we showed you that how we can download the application here. But remember that few things that is very well necessary for installing application and installing games in your mobile phone. The first one is you must have at least Android mobile phone. You must have at least a Gmail ID that should be logged in your mobile app store. Then you must at least having a little bit space in your mobile phone in order to download the application. So this was a very short video that how we can download the application or games or any other software from our mobile phone or from our mobile phone apps or any other play store in your mobile phone. I hope you got well all the points, and thanks for watching. Stay connected. See you in our next video.